Hello Professor, my name is hw7 and this video is to explain the question 8 of homework 7. For the first part, it asks us to find the expectation of xt. From the chapter 4, we know that for the Poisson function, we know the expectation of x is equals to lambda, and the variance of the Poisson function is equals to is also equals to lambda. So we use the same method and let x equals to k become xt. So we could calculate that the answer of this question is equal to lambda t. For the second question, we need to analyze the value of t1 and t2. If t1 larger than t2, if t2 larger than t1, we know that xt1 equals to xt1 minus x0, and xt2 minus xt1 are independent. So according to the definition of t1, t2, it is the expectation of the production of xt1, xt2. Then we use the trick to simplify this question. It's less xt2 minus xt1 and then add xt1. It not influence the result. Then we got this equation. The first part is that lambda t1 product lambda t2 minus lambda t1, and the second part is 1 add lambda t1 product lambda t1. So the answer is lambda product t1 add lambda t1 t2. So for the other condition, t1 is larger than t2, and we follow the same process, and it is just different from the first parameters. It's equal to lambda t2 product t2 add lambda t1 t2. So we can use the mean function to last two conditions into one. So we got that t1 t2 is equals to lambda product mean of the meaning one of t1 t2 as lambda t1 product t2